girl Christy, I'm back at it again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick little unboxing and review video for you guys of the New Balance 515 retro women's sneakers. So if you are interested in this shoe, then stay tuned. As usual, if you're new here, thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can get to be a part of the K-Stylers. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright guys, if you guys know me, you know I love me some New Balance. It's like a weird obsession where I just go online and I look up shoes all the time, or if I'm at a shoe place or in the mall, I always be looking at New Balances. Like even my boyfriend is like, what's wrong with you and them shoes? You know what I mean? It's also been a while since I got myself a pair of New Balance. I know they've come out with many different styles and that I'm just like way behind, you know what I mean? So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna treat myself and get me a new pair. I've been wanting a nice grayish beige type of, you know, sneaker, and I feel like this was the perfect blend between white, gray, and beige. It is listed as white on the website. I did get this shoe off Famous Footwear if you guys are interested, and the shipping did take probably about a week, if that long. So pretty good shipping, and I also got this shoe for about $75. So here we are with the New Balance box. A little ASMR moment. So when we open her up, this is how she comes. Pretty simple, classic, standard. And this is pretty much what she looks like. I did try her on just so you guys know, because I needed to see if it fit and everything in case I needed to return it. So this is technically not the first time I'm unboxing her, but to you guys, it is. The color of the shoe is white, gray, and I feel like it also has a little bit of beige going on in the shoe as well, and I'm going to explain a little bit further when I overlay clips of what the shoe actually looks like and just pinpointing what I feel like is which color. But pretty much the soles are made of rubber, if I'm not mistaken. It has the old 80s inspired stitched New Balance logo, and for the upper toe part you got some little texture going on up here, as well as some suede going on and throughout the shoe. This is a very classic design, very similar to the 574. If you are a New Balance fan, you know what I'm talking about. It has a few different colorways for this style as well. This is just a very simple, classic, everyday type of shoes. I got this in a size 8. It does feel a little big, which is weird because I'm not sure how New Balance is sizing their stuff anymore. But my last New Balance shoes, I got it in a 7.5, and that was also big for me. But my brother told me that, yo, they be sizing them like small now. So I got 8, and it does have like probably like an inch of space, which isn't super annoying. It fits nice, it's comfortable, so that's a plus. It does have its comfort foam in the shoe, which is great for cushioning and helps with the comfortability of the shoe, so that is a plus. I'm gonna give you guys a on feet sizing of how it looks on my feet, and that is pretty much it. I love this shoe. That's all I can pretty much say about the shoes. I didn't come on here to be super long with this review. I do like on the tongue how simple the stitching, the tags are, and on the inside nothing super crazy. It just tells you that it has the cushioning comfort insert, so that is a plus if you have, like, you know, bad feet and you just need that extra support. So in that sense, it's super good. But I love the different textures going on throughout, whether it's textile like that mesh looking material, and then you have the suede. I love that. Real simple, classic New Balance cross stitch logo, and that is pretty much for the shoe. You know, you have this simple You have the simple New Balance on the heel part, pretty much blended, very minimalistic touches to the shoe, and I think that also plays in to the color in which I got the shoe in. It doesn't really have much of a platform, even though you guys know I like platform shoes, but I feel like it is still nice. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you are interested in more reviews, comment down below what you want me to be reviewing, and I'll leave everything linked in the description box below. It's your girl Chrissy, and I'm signing out. Bye.